Hey, I'm your BitBite English mentor, and welcome you all to the BitBite English. Get ready to level up your English conversation skills like never before. This video is not just about watching, it's about participating, engaging, and taking action. And by the end of it, you'll feel more confident, more fluent, and ready to conquer any conversation that comes your way. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into the world of fluent English conversations.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
What's your name? My name is Harry. Where are you from? I'm from America. What do you do? I'm a student. How old are you? I'm 20 years old. Before moving ahead, we want that you don't miss out on these valuable insights, techniques, and exercises. Hit that like button, share this video with your English learning friends, and make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is red. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have 2 siblings. What's your favorite food? I love pizza, burger, and pasta. Are you married? No, I'm not married. What's your favorite book? My favorite book is Atomic Habits. Are you a good swimmer? Yes, I'm a good swimmer. Are you a fan of art? Yes, I appreciate different forms of art. If you enjoyed this English conversation and want to continue your language learning journey with us, be sure to hit that like button to show your support. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, family, and fellow language lovers who might enjoy the challenge as well. And, of course, if you haven't already, we'd love for you to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with all our future videos on English language learning and much more. Thank you all for joining us today, and remember, every word you master brings you one step closer to becoming a fluent English speaker. So keep practicing, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next video.